Rolling. Cool. Awesome. Hey, yo, excuse me. Do you think AI is going to kill us all, take our jobs? What do you think? Okay. Maybe. Somebody say yeah? Did I hear it? Maybe that was I just heard a ghost of a yeah. Let me ask these folks. Quick question. Do you think AI is going to kill us all or take our jobs?
I already took mine.
Already took yours. Wait,
Yeah.
Tell me more.
I work in software.
You work in software?
Yeah.
Oh, and what company do you work for? What'd you do? Like engineering development?
Yeah, and engineering. It's not fair to say it took my job, but I got laid off from my previous job.
Got it.
Okay.
Okay. I'm sorry to hear that, man.
It's the way it goes, and it's hard. The AI is taking over the industry.
It is.
So
It
if
is.
you don't, so there's a lot less jobs, and then people who are hiring, they want AI skills.
Yeah.
So yeah, it
So-
affects my industry a lot.
Got it. Okay. So, first of all, sorry to hear that, and thank you for sharing. What's your advice to other people out there in the software industry?
What's my advice?
Yeah.
God's kingdom.
Say it again.
God's kingdom.
God's kingdom.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
We'll end it there. Thank you so much.
All
I
right.
appreciate it. Have a great day. Hey, yo, quick question. Do you think AI is going to kill us all or take our jobs? Maybe. Wait, tell me more. Why?
It will happen unless if we don't think about it.
It will happen unless
We
we
do something about it.
unless we do something
Yeah.
about it.
I think humans can do anything unexpected. That's what makes us human beings. So I think unless if you do something about it and just treat this as like it's gonna be okay. then
Another
I think-
problem to
yeah,
solve, but we can tackle
We
it.
should be cautious.
Okay, I like it. Positive view of the future. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Take care. Cool. I like that. That was positive. I really like that. That was a good, like, hey, it's just another problem. We can tackle it. We've tackled other problems. Let's try this group. Hey, yo, excuse me. Doing quick street interviews. Do you think AI is going to kill us all or take our jobs?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Tell me why.
Seems plausible.
I don't think
Have you seen the Terminator?
Yeah. So you think that's going to happen?
Pretty realistic.
Pretty realistic. So 99% confident in the Terminator happening?
99.9.
Okay. All right. Have a good day. Okay. So they think Terminator is 99.9% chance of happening. I'd say that's a negative view of the future for sure. Cool. Actually, I feel like maybe we should walk back that way and go down Telegraph. Or, how much time we got? About 40 minutes. Let's go this way, and then we'll go down the street, see how busy it is. We'll circle back.